Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at Warrior Plus. So in my journey of how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, this documentation of all the videos are here to share with you and teach you guys the skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. That's why I created this channel. That's why I'm creating these videos, for you guys to see the step-by-step process and also tips and tricks along the way. That's why I'm called Tips with Dave. So stay tuned. I'm going to hop on my laptop and share with you guys some more. Okay, guys, here I am. And as you know from the beginning of this video, I did say that I'm going to show you the exact process. So how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. I use affiliate marketing as a skill set to help me with my online journey. No, it is not my full-time job. I do have a full-time 9-to-5 job, but this is on the side, which is working for me. And I wanted to share with you the entire whole structure that I use to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Everything is shared on this channel, guys. I document my journey. I talk to you guys about the process, which we're going to be looking at today. There's undeniable proof that this works. All you need to do is focus on two things, which I always say in each and every video. One is advertising, and the second one is copywriting. If you're focusing on these two skill sets, you can definitely hit $1,000 per month. After that, you can look at course creation, you can look at other things that help you then scale up your income. And we will talk about it at the time when we reach there. For now, I just want to focus on these two elements. Now, these two elements obviously go hand in hand. What I focus on every single day is also one specific method. Actually, both these things are the only things that I focus on every single day. It takes me 30 minutes every day to work this strategy. It has two steps. The first step is a cash flow step, and the second step is a traffic generation step, which is basically an advertising step. These are the two things. The first one is a cash flow step specifically because it allows me to get leads. It allows me to make emails and write emails that help me with my copywriting skills in my whole process itself. And then obviously the last section, as you can see, step 2 is focusing on building my asset for the long term and making sure that I'm cleaning my list, having a good list that's growing, having income coming that makes sense, that's equivalent also of my list. This is very important, and so on and so forth. Today, and where I make most of those sales, what platform network that I use is Warrior Plus. Guys, have you heard of Warrior Plus? If you haven't heard of Warrior Plus, go and Google it, YouTube it, check it out, see what Warrior Plus is so that I can share with you a little bit more. Today, I wanted to do a specific training. So as you guys can see in step 2, by the way, before I go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos that I do post, but also weekly on this topic as we go about sharing more and more. I am so happy. I will be traveling in October quite a bit, but I definitely want to make sure that I have these videos coming out for you guys. So this is the effort that I'm putting in for you, but also for me to document my journey. The second step is the most easiest step after you set it up, because once you set it up, you take time maybe with your landing page, with your bridge page. You're already sending it an offer that you own, so you're not focusing on an offer, right? You have an affiliate and you are an affiliate for an offer that you're then sending to get sales. And then you're focusing on emails. These are the two things. Once you set this up, you need to make sure that in this whole setting up process that you're tracking things so you know that it's working. So what I want to show you is on Warrior Plus. Let me just go to Warrior Plus, and I'm here in the affiliate section. First and foremost, let me just do this to give you guys a little bit of a booster on what results. How much have I made with Warrior Plus following this strategy? $2,539, totally 180 sales. I'm super happy with these results. You can see I'm no problem sharing this transparently. So this strategy works first and foremost. So let's go to an affiliate section right here. Go to the dashboard. You can see that last month I made 431 and this month is 32. And most probably by the time I'm shooting this video, already more sales have come in. But I'm going to go to transactions, and I'm going to go to transactions, and I'm going to go to the transactions that I have had since March of this year, which is when I started this strategy. So let's go to March and go. What I want to show you is that if I scroll down, you can see first and foremost, it's done over $3,000, $3,500, $600 worth in sales with this strategy. So it's working. These are, solid working offers, and over $2,000 in commissions just with this strategy. So I'm 100% sure that this strategy works. If you can see, I have a tracking code right here. And every time this tracking code somebody makes a purchase through that link with a tracking code, I know from where the sales are coming in. So this entire process for me is tracked every single place. So when I send an email out on step 1, as you can see, there's MLGS that's tracked every time. So I know exactly what sales are coming from MLGS or not. And then you can see system right here, system right here. You can type anything. To be honest, you can type funnel, you can type whatever it is that you want to call your tracking. But you can see there's a lot of system sales. There's a blank one. So I need to figure out why this was not tracked, but it's okay. It's just a small commission of $1.64. But you know, it all adds up. System traffic. So I know that, okay, this is from the traffic page. People are buying traffic from my link. I can see that there's also document. So I have, for example, affiliate marketing, I believe, affiliate offers, I think it's called that. I don't even remember what the document is called. I need to check it. It's in my Facebook group. But yeah, the document is there and I have a document. And so this is from the link of the document. Somebody decided to get one of the traffic sources because I have everything listed out in that document as well. And then I have a system right here, system traffic, blah, MLGS, a lot of system emails. As you can see from my emails as well, I'm tracking Messenger. So every time I share a link, I always add a tracking code so I know where my sales are coming from. There's not a single, well, there is this one right here, and I think a few others, but you can see most of my links are all tracked. So every single sale that I get, as you can see right here, every single sale that I get is all tracked. And I know exactly what is converting and what is not converting. Now, the question that I have for you, or the question that I have for myself also, is how do you actually track these links? So first and foremost, let me show you how to do that on Warrior Plus, because this is going to be a Warrior Plus training. And then where do you insert those links? So how do you get those links? So let's go to the offers that I have right here, and let's pick an offer. I'm only going to the offers that I have approved, okay, so that you guys can see everything. So now, full transparency, as I mentioned, these are all the offers that I have been approved for. Okay, I don't have more than these offers. This offer is now no more on this platform, so I don't promote it. This is a high ticket offer. This is traffic. This is also another offer. This is another offer, which I love. By the way, these two offers I love. 7-figure launch is another one that high ticket offers. So there are quite a few offers, and then there are traffic offers that I'm an affiliate also for. I use a lot of traffic from Warrior Plus itself. Now, what happens is if I want, let's say, a secret email system. Okay, let's just use secret email system as an example. Let's go to get link. As you can see right here, you have a default link that's there. If you share this link, it will have 0 tracking code. But if you copy this link, and let's do that, and we go to a new browser, add the link, and before I actually hit on enter, I put a / and add, let's say I'm going to go to YouTube, and just add YouTube, or say it's for your funnel. Then you add funnel. You can say funnel step 1. You can be as detailed as you want in your tracking code, so you know exactly from where it's being made, the sale is being made. So let me give you an example. Okay, let me just go to my system.io account, and let's just go into my sales funnel itself. Why am I going to show you this? Because I think it makes sense for me to show you this. First and foremost, let's go to my thank you page, and I'm going to edit page. And I want to show you that if somebody clicks, for example, on this button right here, it has system at the end. If, let's go down. If somebody clicks on this image right here, you can see at the end, it will open another page, but you can see the link has image. So I know that somebody has clicked on the image. If somebody goes to these images, again, it's image. If somebody clicks on this, I believe it also will be image. It's image chart, because I want to know who's clicking on the chart to actually, what is the chart helping my conversions or not, right? So that's one thing. Then I also have, if I'm not mistaken, right here, this is just a countdown, but this is the countdown button. So now it says system, I believe, oh, just system. Okay, that's it. So there's no countdown. I believe there was a countdown also. Anyway, it doesn't matter. The point is that different elements of this page, as you can see, are tracked with different links, so that I also know who's coming to this page, how they're navigating, what's going on, and I can look at it, right? So this simple is just / and let me repeat that. All you need to do is / and then just add your link. So say funnel. Now, if you want to add a bonus, you can have a bonus as well. All you need to do is add this bonus URL here, And that's what you're going to be sending to somebody. So they know now. After that, they're going to get access to your bonus as well through Warrior Plus. Everything is through Warrior Plus. So that's the beauty of it. And I will be using bonuses in the future. I want to use bonuses with my own product. So I might be doing an affiliate offer, but have a bonus of my product that I'm teaching you a specific skill set and so on. But this is at a later stage, right? Right now, that is how I'm tracking. So when I look at my entire step 2, as I said, the important thing is the setup. When you have your landing page, you don't need to set up anything on the landing page, but you need to set up your tracking on the bridge page. You need to set up your tracking in your email. So every time you send out an email and the email has a link in it, that link has to be tracked, in my opinion. You can even do it as email 1, email 2, email 3, so you know from exactly which emails are getting the sales for you and when. That is how you can do it with Warrior Plus, guys. I leverage this because I don't want to spend money on, another tracking software, because you can get amazing tracking software out there. But when you're getting started, when you're working on this $1,000 per month goal, the aim over here is specifically to make sure that you have consistent sales and you know that your offer is working. And these are the things that motivate me as an online marketer, as an affiliate marketer, as somebody who has a full-time job and doing this on the side. It motivates me when I see and exactly know that what is converting and what is not converting for me. So guys, hope this video was useful. Again, if you want to follow the strategy, the link to this page is in the description of this video. All my other resources are in the description of this video. This channel is about documentation. So if you haven't subscribed to it yet, hit that subscribe button. Follow me along the journey. And if you want to be a part of the journey, you can also be a part of the journey by clicking on that link below, getting on this list and starting it as you wish. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next video, which is on Monday.